This is the Module 5 video. I'm going to help you make the knob socket head cap screw, and from this you should be able to make the next two on your own. We're going to start by making this top cylinder, which has a diameter of 0.324 and an extrusion of 0.216. So I'm going to go into Inventor, going to open a new file, a part file, standard, hit create. And I'm going to start a 2D sketch, click a plane, draw a circle. The diameter on that circle was 0.324 from the picture. Hit enter, finish the sketch, extrude. The extrusion on this was 0.216. Hit enter. Let's go back to our picture and see what else we need to do. The longer part of the screw has a diameter of 0.216 and is extruded 0.841 minus 0.216. So I'm going to go back to Inventor, start another sketch on the face of this smaller cylinder, do a circle. There, the diameter of that smaller part was 0.216. Hit enter, finish the sketch. I need to extrude not the entire 0.841, but 0.841 minus 0.216. And Inventor can do that calculation for you. You don't need a calculator. And then hit OK. Alright. Now I'm using the cube to rotate it. I need to add thread to this part. I drop down under hole, click thread. Okay. It's going to allow you to click the face, and then you can choose how much of it needs to be threaded. For this one, I want the whole thing to be threaded. Later, you can uncheck this and kind of edit it. So I'm going to click there to add that thread. Hit OK. Now I need to add the cutout on top. So I'm going to click Start 2D Sketch, click on the top here. Let's go look and see what we need to put there. Okay, it looks like it has 6 sides. And it's 0.15625 across. So I'm going to drop down under rectangle to polygon. I need it to have 6 sides, that's already there. I want to put it in the center and come out. I'm going to go ahead and click to place it, and then I can dimension it once it's been placed. And I'm measuring from one flat side all the way across to the other flat side. And I'm just going to bring it out till I can see that number. And I need to put in 0.15625. Hit enter. I'm going to finish this. Even though this needs to sink in, it's also called an extrusion. We're just going to go the other way. And it looks like it cuts in 0.1 of an inch. So I'm going to go extrude. I'm going to make that a point. Junk. I accidentally hit enter too soon. I can fix it by double clicking my extrusion and changing it to 0.1, and then instead of having it come out, I'm going to drop down on this second one and make it a cut so that it cuts in. Okay. You can also do it by dragging down and changing the direction of the arrow. And you can also try to change the direction. If it's not working, you can always just delete that extrusion. It's going to ask you if you want to delete the sketch. I want to keep my sketch because it's good, so I'm going to hit OK. I still have my sketch here, so let's try that again. Extrusion, change it to a 0.1, and change this to a cut. There we go, that looks good.